Guys, it's your girl Badass Boo. Why do I have I'm too ready for this video. Hey guys, it's your girl Badass Boo, back again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a natural beat today. So bear with me. I don't have a mirror, I just got my phone. If I look like I'm looking over here, I'm looking at myself. So
I'm going to do my eyebrows. And the pencil I use, what is this? I use Arcade by Kiss. It's like a brown, light medium. Anyway, let's just get it started. Whoop the whoop. Yeah, my lace lifting up a little bit, but it's cool. It's cool, because the girl is going to be cool, right? It's like, honey, it's fun or whatever. Back it up, back it up, back it up! And you just clean up your brow. Bruh, I can't not do this. Like, this is crazy. Yeah, outline the eyebrow. When you go over your eyebrow, like that, it's okay. It's okay. You don't gotta erase the whole eyebrow. You ain't gotta do the mouth, sis. You ain't gotta do it. Voila. Get your magic eyebrow wand. You get this thing right here and you draw that eyebrow back on there. You show the concealer who bounce. I don't know what this brush called. It's like a little, it's a brush for your eyeshadow. I don't know, I don't care what it is. Get you a little soft little brush like this and you softly blend the concealer. You blend the concealer like so. Okay, we blend down there, we blend up here. This is the most important part. This is the most important part. Now, y'all see where your eyebrows start right here? Y'all see when it start right here? You don't want to have a box like that. You don't want to have a box, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to get the back of the little spoodle. I don't care where you get your spoodle from, as long as you got a spoodle. Spoodle, eyebrow brush, whatever you want to call it. So what you do is now you even out the product into like your eyebrow. So it's like you blend it in there. Because when you draw it might be a little harsh. So you're just gonna drag it from the front of the eyebrow back to make that shade. You wanna have like a little shade in the front, right? You want it to be soft, and then you get a brush and you brush the middle. Just like that, girl. Now you ready. You ready to get your eyebrows on. You ready to get started. You ready to take a picture. I'm spinning shit. This palette has basically neutral colors or whatever. Okay. I'm gonna take this color and I'm gonna put it like in my crease. Not in my crease, but it's gonna be like my first layer of my shadow. That's that. We're gonna stop it right there with that eyebrow. We're gonna go to our next eyebrow. Boop. People tell me all the time. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm very different. Cause you know your girl is Miss Independent. Cause that's why I love her. Okay, so I got my eyes on so far, so good. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to use my Pro Concealer once again to make a crease, kind of basically make my my lid shadow pop, you know? Make it stand out a little bit more. Yeah, look that way. Okay. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with me. We have one eye done. So this is gonna be the next. I'm gonna have to try to do it. Yeah, I'm gonna do the outer. Orange. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna just do this orange kind of look. I'm gonna do this orange kind of look, and I'm gonna just like leave the lid like kind of nude. But I got y'all with a look. So I'm gonna go in with this color all the way to the end. It looks like a nude kind of color. So I'm gonna just use it. Oh, this is a new color too. Wait. Yeah, this is a new color too. So I might just use some of that too. Okay. And then take it right here in the front of that orange. Okay, so I'm about to go in with my foundation. Fit Me by Maybelline. This is a color
355.
Oh shit. I'm so goofy. I'm gonna put on that show. All the blemishes be gone. This should be like, I would say like a beginner friendly type of video because like I said, I'm not a pro. I do my makeup, I do my friend's makeup, and I also do some clients' makeup that trust me do their makeup. I mean, like I said, I know what's supposed to look like, but I'm not no professional, so you know what I do. And that's all I can do, is what I know to do. So. You get your ears to blend. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Enough of being weird. Let me hurry up. I'm gonna go in our concealer. See, I have a small face, so I have to only like keep it in this area. So what you're doing is you're taking away of the dark circles. You be too tired, girl. You be too tired, sis. So yeah, we put this up on the hill or whatever. Yeah, we're gonna draw a line down. And we're gonna put like a little bridge right here. And then we're gonna put something right here too. I can put like a little. That's right. Oh, this brush is like a pointy kind of round looking brush. I like to use this instead of, well, I could use my beauty blender, but I'm really not in the mood to use it right now until it's really time for me to blend, because I hate when I use beauty blenders and it takes away most of the product. So what you do, you just dab, 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 dab. You know, stay up under your eye. And then, you know, the places you can't get, that's when I really just use my beauty blender. I can't say it right. I don't know what the fuck going on.
Right. I be trying to be like explanatory because I'm the type, it'd be hard for me to explain. Oh shit. Yeah, it'd be hard for me to explain, so I just do it. Like Nike say, girl, you just do it. Just do it. They'll catch on. They'll know what's going on. And then you do your middle.
You blend it. Y'all want to do too much blending. You need to focus on the middle of the nose. So you need to be going up in one stroke direction. Up, up, up. And then when you get here, you taking your concealer and you bringing it from down here. So you know you could have everything like, this is your highlight. This concealer does the job. So back again, beauty blender. I'm blending my corners that I could not get. Like my cheek area. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So now, now that we highlighted, we finna contour. This is the main important part. Do you see my face looking like two damn colors? Not be looking like one. But yeah, I got the concealer in my eyes, and I put the foundation on first. Now it's time to conceal. Conceal is what brings the shadow to your face. Conceal what? This is Maybelline Dream Urban Cover, you know, full coverage. I had got the color 375. I got this or whatever. I don't know if y'all can see it. Okay. But yeah, I got that and I use that, whatever. So all I do is get my brush. This is kind of like a flat angle brush. So I get this. I put it like at the end so I know where to like draw my line on my cheeks, up on my forehead area, and up under my chin, because you know, you don't want to like got two necks. So we're going to go right here. Do it lightly because this stuff, well, I got to do it lightly because I had got like real dark. Okay, we getting somewhere, y'all. We getting somewhere. I'm keep talking about we getting somewhere. It might look like a lot, but it's really nice. It's just me contouring, and then once you get your contour liquid foundation in place, what you're gonna do is you're gonna blend your life away, because this is the most important part. Like, I don't think y'all understand me. You wanna contour that chin, and then you don't wanna contour up here, but you know you don't want too much foundation on the brush, so you just use the leftovers and you just blend it on that. Get your color back. Get your color back. I don't know what the hell is wrong with me. I really don't. Okay, so now that I use that brush for my contour, I'm gonna go back with my foundation brush and I'm gonna just soften up, you know, the lines. Cause you don't want to really like take it away. So you want to like go across, go in the front, go up under, and like so. Okay. Set powder. We get somewhere, y'all. We get somewhere now. We're gonna put some on my nose. We're gonna dab some up under here. Oh, we lick with the goddamn thing. Put some up under here. And put some on my eyebrows. Okay. Whew. Okay. I'm doing my bottom lashes. Oh shit. Oh shit. Whoa. I just poked myself in the eye. Ouch. Okay, try again. Oh shit.
I think I just made a big fucking mistake. A fucking big ass mistake, and don't panic, guys. Get mascara on your goddamn face. Just get some more powder and damn. This is basically my finishing look.
Put some glow.
Blush.
Got it? I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put it right here. Then I go in with my matte makeup setting spray and I spray my...
I have to put my lip liner on. Lip liner on.
I just really can't believe this shit. Bitch, you gotta go.
What's on my motherfucking video? What's wrong with that motherfucking shit? Bitch. Don't play with it. We don't play over here. I'm gonna put some lip gloss on. I like to use my clear and I like to use my Velvet Lippy Butter Matte Lip Cream. It's like a nude. I just like to put a little there.
Okay.
And this is the final look. Period, boo. Period. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And make sure you hit the notification bell, because when your girl click on, like I said, I'm gonna try to get to y'all every week. I'm gonna try to get a video up by every week. I promise. 2020, we is making a motherfucking change. I'm running these motherfucking beds up. Period. Deuces.